Today in this video, we will see simple ways by which you can make the iPhone battery charge last longer. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go to settings here. Then go to this option Apple Intelligence and Siri. Go to talk and type to Siri and make sure that this Siri or Hey Siri is off. Go back and here under this suggestions, disable all these options. Go back to the settings, go to this option privacy and security, go to location services and disable this option location services and then turn off. You can turn the location services on at the time when you need it. After that, again go back and let's go to notifications. Now notifications also takes a lot of iPhone's battery charge. So what you do is go to each applications, and if you think that you need notifications for those applications, then only turn on the notification. For those applications which you don't need notifications, you can turn them off. If I don't want notification for ChatGPT, I will open it and then I will disable this option, allow notifications. Again go back to the settings here and then we will go to general. Let's go to this option background app refresh and then go to background app refresh and then turn it off. Now if you think that you cannot turn off background app refresh, then what you do is enable background app refresh and only enable background app refresh for those applications which you find it important. For example, maybe Gmail, and for others you can turn it off. The last thing that you can do is you can go to settings here. You can go to this option accessibility and go to motion. Enable this option reduce motion. So when you enable this option, then some of the transition effect or some of the animation effect for your iPhone wall screen, it won't be visible. So if you do these things, then the charge of your iPhone battery will last longer. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.